Welcome to this tutorial on the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud, a standout feature of the MarketLumina indicator. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to analyze market trends, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down how this tool works and how you can use it to better understand price movements, all in an easy step-by-step guide. The Fibonacci Trend-Cloud is a visually intuitive tool built on advanced Fibonacci EMA values. It's designed to help you spot market trends and potential price action with clarity. It uses a dynamic cloud to show you the strength and direction of trends at a glance. Let's dive into its key features. First up, the cloud's width. A wide cloud like this one signals a strong trend. Think of it as the market confidently moving in one direction. On the flip side, a tight cloud like we see here often hints at an imminent price move. It's like a coiled spring, ready to release energy in either direction. Check out how this tight cloud preceded a sharp price drop. Next, the colors. The Fibonacci Trend-Cloud uses a traffic light system. Green for bullish momentum, red for bearish pressure, and yellow for caution. Here's a green cloud during a strong uptrend. Full speed ahead. Now, a red cloud as the market turns bearish. Time to watch out. And when it's yellow, like this, it's a heads up that the market's unsure which way to go. One of the Fibonacci Trend Cloud's hidden gems is its fast-adapting trend cloud line. In strong trends, this line often acts as a dynamic support or resistance level. Watch how the price bounces off it here, almost like a trampoline. This can be a key spot to watch for potential entries or exits in a trending market. To really understand the trend, compare the cloud with a higher time frame. Here's the 1-hour chart with a green cloud. Now, let's switch to the daily chart. Notice how the cloud's wider and still green. This confirms the bigger bullish trend, giving you context for what's happening on the shorter time frame. That's the Fibonacci Trend-Cloud. It's a simple yet powerful way to read trends, spot potential moves, and refine your market analysis. Want to explore more features like this? Head to MarketLumina.com to learn about the full MarketLumina indicator.